A bulldozer at work ended up driving straight into the river because the driver was distracted by watching short videos, looking down from a drone. It's clear the bulldozer is stuck in a tight spot and the situation is quite dire, while the driver is so terrified he won't even step out. Upon hearing the news, the contractor quickly dispatched another bulldozer for a rescue mission. Instead of just using brute force to pull it out immediately, the rescue operator started working on one side of the trapped machine to divert the water and prevent it from being submerged. This step requires extreme caution, as any mistake could lead to the rescuer getting stuck themselves. However, the operator handled it like it was nothing. Turns out, he's a top graduate from the Lanxiang Technical Academy. After clearing one side, he moved to the other to reduce the water volume in the middle area. It's obvious this guy knows his physics. Unlike some who just try to yank things out, the contractor supervised closely throughout, because more than the cost of the machine, he was worried about the safety of his brother-in-law trapped inside. Once the prep work was finished, the rescue bulldozer used a tow rope and pulled the other one out in a single go. It must be said the rescue was incredibly smooth thanks to the operator's professionalism. So, what do you guys think of this?